Hi, my name is Gordon Cohen. I'm the owner of Restoration Insurance Billing Source. We're a third-party estimating billing company specifically designed for insurance restoration contractors. We focus on providing the services that insurance restoration contractors need with estimating and billing services, which allow you to fully concentrate on your own accounts and marketing. As your restoration insurance billing partner, we act as the back office so you don't have to. We don't get sick, we don't take vacations, we don't tie up payroll when things are slow, we don't get paid until you do. If needed, we can provide drawing logs, scope sheets that detail the work for accurate estimates and to help us maximize your invoices. We use a system called FileTrack, which is a claims management system. This system is available to you 24/7, 365, and is used as your own virtual office at no charge to you as long as you're our client. It allows you to add notes as well as upload and download files, contact you, leave you notes, text messages. Restoration Insurance Billing has never been easier. Visit us online at ribsllc.com or call us at 321-863-1615. We provide old-fashioned service in a high-tech environment.